In this video, I will show you how to uninstall BitTorrent from PC. As you should know, that torrents themselves do not contain viruses. However, like any other file sharing network, there is a chance that some of the files being shared are infected with malicious software. So let's start and let's get into it. First, go back to your desktop and go to search and type in settings. On your settings, you want to find here apps. And you will have options here such as apps and features, default apps, and more. We will go to apps and features. Just scroll down a bit and look for BitTorrent app. Simply click the three dots beside it and you will see uninstall. Just click uninstall. After that, they will make sure that you want to uninstall it. Just click OK and wait for a few seconds and it will be done. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.